When you install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux at the virtual machine in the VMware workstation, sometimes you may see a gray screen or a black screen during the Kickstart installation. Now I will show you the problem and also a simple solution. Here I have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10. If I just click this installation, this is the first time I install this version. If I proceed without doing anything, for example, I just select this one, install. Now I have a gray screen. It just stops here. I cannot proceed. The reason for this problem is because the Linux kernel will take over the native graphics card early during the Kickstart installation. If this driver is incompatible with the VMware virtual graphics adapter, it will cause a display problem like this gray screen. However, the solution is pretty simple. You just pass a parameter to the kernel and ask the Linux kernel to bypass loading the native graphics card driver and just use a generic driver, and then you can install normally. Now I will reinstall the Linux. Now power on. Now select the first option, install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then click E or Edit. At the end of the first line, add the parameter no mode set. And then click Ctrl X or F10 to boot. Ctrl X. And now I can install normally. That's it. Thanks for watching.